Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. First of all, we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find additional settings. Here we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are right now cannot be customized. As you can see, we cannot manually set the date and time. It is because we are using the time and time zone set automatically. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options, or even three. And then we can freely tap on date and just by swiping pick the date we want to use. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied to the status bar. Here we can pick the time zone, just tap on it, pick the region, and here you can just find yours or the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one. And it will be immediately set. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. As you can see, it is different than we set before. Here we've got the time format also. It is automatic right now, but we can of course manually decide which one we want to use. So the 12-hour format or 24-hour one. Currently we've got 24-hour one, I believe, so we can set 12-hour format, and as you can see, it will also be applied. Here we've got the option to do dual clock, which simply means that we will have two different clocks displayed. The first one will show you the hour from the place in which you're currently in, and the second one will show you simply the time from another place in the world of your choice. If you want to, you can use it. If not, just turn it off here. Alright, so basically that will be all. Of course, if you want to, you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers here. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.